Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in Portomaso, Marina, and we're going to take a little walk around the area and see Wagwan. You know the vibe. So yeah, we just did a video down there. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, we're going to take a little walk. See what's in our area. So look at that building there. Got these massive skyscraper buildings. Oh, hang on guys, sorry, just lost you, 1 second. It's real life, people, real life. There we go, perfect. Right, let's see what else we've got around here then. Oh, very fancy, got your Rolex. Nice. Diamonds International. Might be like that guy in the Louvre and just wander in, see what I can get. And then I also believe down there, oh, little supercar going up there. Porsche, beautiful. Yes. And you've also got the Hilton down there as well.
That's what that big town is like.
Yeah, so that's the Hilton. Really, really nice. Well, you get the drift. You get the drift. Never claim to be a professional, people. Right. So you've got some shopping stuff up there, and then we're heading down this way. So yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Let me know in the comments below if you have been to Malta before. It'd be interesting to see where you guys stay, what you're into, and all of that. This is our first time for the channel and for us personally. So we're exploring this together again, which is always fun. So if you haven't been here, this is our first time too, so I hope you enjoy it. The architecture is really, really lovely. Look at some of these buildings. It's kind of like a mix between the old and the new. It's all kind of like hustled together, but it does go quite well, oddly. It goes really well together. And the weather today is about 25. So we are staying in St. Julian's, which is about half an hour, maybe less if you're getting like a taxi from the airport, so really close. Not far at all if you are doing a trip and you want to stay somewhere close to the airport. Recommend this area. Nice cute little restaurant there, Lebanese. Let's cross over. We had pizza last night at a place called Stretton, I believe. I'll update you if that's wrong. That was really nice. I actually have some leftovers, don't I?
Yeah, you should get your pizza.
Yeah. Got a gin room down there, so if you're into your gin. Really, really lovely view straight ahead. Look at that, that's what I'm talking about. So you've got that older building right there, and then next to it you've got that newer block of apartments. And the mix, I think, kind of works. Right, let's start heading down. Yeah, Jules. What's this one? Looks Mexican, but let's have a little check at the menu. Oh, does some veggie stuff. Jamaican. Ah, does a Jamaican jerk chicken. Does a Medi style falafel. Sausage dog. Not bad prices though, is it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Chicken for 10 euros.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That is really, really good.
17 good bits, but maybe it's just chicken, I don't know. What's it come with?
It says chicken wings marinated with Caribbean rum and paprika, served with chili oil and lime, wedges, potatoes as a side.
Wow.
There you go, 10 euros.
Yeah.
I don't think, yeah. I think we will come here tonight. Really, really nice. Got a little mojito hut. And then you've got Lorenzo's. Ah, Lorenzo. Sorry, we have a dog called Lorenzo, if anyone's confused why I got a little high pitch there. There we go. Run by a brother and sister from Croatia, Lorenzo's. Oh, look at that balcony. That's a really cute little balcony. That's a Romeo and Juliet balcony, that is, isn't it? Hopefully you guys can see that. Cute little sunflower restaurant called Girasol. Girasol? I can read, I do promise I can actually read. I know watching this channel you're probably concerned that I can't. Nice. Let's keep heading down to the water. Show you guys around here and then we'll go round. Yep. There we go, look at that. Dubliner Irish pub. So if you do miss your home from home, you can always rely on having an Irish pub. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at all of that. Really, 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 really nice. Right, are we going down this side? Right, let's head down. Oh, the benches are cute. I like the colours. So that restaurant there is Raphael's, or Raphael. Nice little balcony. Enjoy the view behind. Got that sunshine. Let's have a little wander around. So yeah, at the moment I'm really enjoying it. It's very pretty. This is right up my street. When I sort of do Europe, this is what I want. I want that architecture. I want beautiful water, quirks, little bars and restaurants that you can kind of feel like you're in your own little paradise. And of course, sunshine.
So over there,
Yeah.
so just over here, you have the iconic love sign, big love sign. So we'll take a walk over there.
Yeah, and we'll take a picture. Let's keep going round. So you got the San Giuliano. Some really more. We went to the Portomaso, Marina earlier, and the boats there were like super yachts, these mega boats. These ones are your more sort of fishing, chilled out boats. I don't know if you'd be living in these. Got a restaurant called Cuba, bistro, pizza, cafe. Got everyone enjoying the lovely terrace. Got Peppino's restaurant over there. So yeah, lots to do. Lots and lots to do. Right, we're going to go head towards that love sign then. Get that iconic tourist attraction. Like I said, we're just taking a wander around, seeing what it is. We did get here yesterday. We did a little walk like around, we're staying in St. Julian's. So we had a little wander around there, had some food, had a few drinks and then just chilled out. It was a very early start to the day, really easy travel though. So we got the earliest flight we could, which was 6 or 10 past 6. And then we were here by sort of 10, half 10. Look at that nice little clock. That's where we just came from up there. Really, really nice. Got your palm tree. So yeah, Malta at the moment is winning. Definitely somewhere I'd add to my list to come back. Definitely. Let me know in the comments below if you agree. From what you're seeing right now, is Malta somewhere you would venture out to? I'm trying to figure out how to get back to that main. Oh yeah, I can see it. There we go, we figured it out. So we're going into more of like the hustle and bustle, it looks like. See how busy it is. It's quite busy this time of year, so it's good. Not overwhelming though. Yeah, I do like the colours of the benches. It's nice to have a bench, just sit and chill. At home, you just have your fish and chips, wouldn't you? I'll sit there, fish and chips, just sitting, chilling, looking at the view, loving life. I used to do that. Me and Kirk, we used to live sort of like in the beachy area, and the kids were younger. And one of our sort of cheap but cheerful dates was just getting some fish and chips, parking the car where the beach was, finding our little bench, and just sitting and having some fish and chips, looking at the ocean. I don't really think you can beat that, really. Right, so you've got an option of stairs and then you've got like a ramp. I'm just going to walk up the ramp. Let's have a look at this sign then. Let me know if you've been here, if you've got your picture with this as Kirk says, love sign. So love, and then obviously this side. Show you guys. Oh, I'm in like the centre of it. So you got Wagamama there, Dr. Juice, McDonald's. For anyone who doesn't want to try any other food, you can always rely on McDonald's. And then, there we go, show you guys. This is where we are. Got your reusable energy, it's nice. Solar panel. And that's where we started the video from. If you see the Hilton in the backdrop over there, the bigger skyscraper, that's where it all began. Sorry, I didn't realise Kirk would come behind me. Right.
Oh, look at the fish eating that food.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, I'll quickly let you guys. I was going to end it, but might end it with all those little fish. See the bread out there? They're all going for it. Right guys, well I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.